What's going on, beautiful people? This is Rio with London Credit Repair. Now, I want to give you an update. I have a client that's been with me for less than a month, right? And just to show you down here, we got on May 15th, you can see they started at 540, right? They had a 13-point increase within about 20 days. And as of today, well, let's see, as of June 6th all the way to June 14th, there was a 128-point increase. So it brought this particular client, let me go ahead and let you see what changed exactly. It brought this particular client from June 3rd or June 6th from 553, and in 8 days of updating, there was a 128-point increase. So that brings the client to a total of 681. And the wonderful thing about this is it's a collection removed. It's just one account, but it has a major effect. Obviously, as you can see, there was nothing in addition done. So ERC, I have a method for them. I've been getting a lot of accounts removed from ERC, easy, in my opinion. However, every account is different, so that is a disclaimer. So everybody's not going to jump 128 points in 8 days, but based on your account and the tactics that I do take, it is possible. But just in an 8 day span, this account jumped from 553 to 681. In my opinion, that's pretty awesome, and I believe they do feel the same way. LondonCreditRepair.com on Instagram, the Credit Guy 2020. Contact me and we'll get your credit situated.